What's up, guys? Today I have this very affordable 2K video doorbell by Botslab. Here's the box it comes in. Let's check it out. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at the Botslab Video Doorbell Elite Model R810 SE. Let's break it down. All right, starting with the unboxing, we'll do this very quickly. Nice, simple packaging. Let's open it up. The first thing we are greeted with is a greeting card with a QR code. Now let's take out the doorbell. It feels very nice and solid. The design right away looks really nice. Let's take the plastic off. It looks very modern. I like the black and white color. All right, here is the button where you press to ring the doorbell, and there is the camera on the front. It's a 2K doorbell, so the quality is really good. On the side, you have your Type-C port for charging, and on the back is your power button. Up next, you have 3M adhesive tape and a guide to help you line up the mounting bracket. Up next, you have this cute little base station in white. So this is where you get your Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can also hear the chime through this device. And right here, you have an angular mount if you want your doorbell at an angle. And finally, the box of accessories. You have your Type-C charging cables, some mounting screws, a user guide, and some stickers. You also have a little warranty card and a plug. All right, that's everything out of the box. Oh, forgot the little pin right here. All right, now that's everything out of the box. Now I have the doorbell that came with an extension kit. It's a solar panel, so you don't have to charge it if you don't want to. But they also have another one that does not have a solar panel. So the choice is yours. Now it's time to connect the app to the doorbell. Next up, I'm pairing it to the app. Once you put in your Wi-Fi details, it starts syncing right away. All right, that was easy. Once you're set, plug it in and you're good to go. All right, let's plug up the base station and get started. Let's go.
Camera. Please open the app for network configuration. Waiting to receive network configuration information. Welcome to Botslab Video Doorbell.
All right, so we have a connection. Now it's time to install the brackets. I'm using a drill here. Now it's time to clip on the doorbell. All in all, installation took about 15 minutes. And voila, the moment we've been waiting for. How does this doorbell work? I'll show you what it can do. Now let's talk about what happens when someone actually presses the button. Inside the house, the indoor chime rings loud and clear, so you never miss a visitor. But here's the cool part. On your phone, instead of a standard little chime notification that's easy to ignore, the doorbell actually calls your phone like an incoming call. You can answer it immediately and see who's at the door in real time. There you are. Hi, can I help you?
Yes.
What do you want?
Can I come in the house?
Have a package for me?
No.
What do you mean, no? I've been waiting for this.
I quit.
Now, this app allows you to change your voice. You can change it to a male voice or a funny voice or your normal voice.
Are you leaving a package?
Every single time you come by, you're always...
Now, you're probably wondering how the camera quality is at night. Well, here is an example of the camera quality. It's pretty bright, you can see. So the camera quality is really good at night. Now, that was fun. I wanted to point out that the Botslab app, they do have paid subscriptions. However, you don't have to use it because they have the free package that includes live viewing, two-way talk, motion detection, and notifications. But if you want more advanced features like the basic, pro, and premium, you do have to pay for those. And here's just an example of how the doorbell sounds when you are talking to someone. The volume is pretty loud and clear.
Hello, who is this?
This is Jess.
Why are you at my door?
And finally, I just wanted to point out that the app does a really good job at describing the person or people that approach your entryway. They don't even have to ring the doorbell, and the doorbell camera will pick up what the person looks like. You will see a description under the video captured by the doorbell, and it'll say like a person wearing a red hat, or a person holding a phone and paper, or a white package, a person holding a phone. So yeah, I am pretty excited about this new doorbell. It's really fun and interactive. So that has been a look at the Botslab video doorbell. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Take care. If you need something like this, I'll put some affiliate links down in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.